Divorce is more than an emotional event. It's a legal process that permanently redefines your future. In Nevada, while you can alter custody or support, the division of your assets and debts is final. There are no second chances. An innocent financial decision made years ago could cost you half of what you believe is rightfully yours. Facing these permanent decisions without expert legal counsel is one of the greatest risks a person can take. We will now show Nevada's unique laws, the hidden financial traps, and why a local Henderson attorney is your critical advantage. First, can you even file for divorce here? The law requires just 6 weeks of residency, but proving your intent to stay is what matters. Nevada is a no-fault state. Actions like infidelity do not legally determine how assets are divided. The core principle is community property. This means nearly everything acquired during the marriage is considered jointly owned. The starting point for division is a 50-50 split, but starting point is the operative phrase. It's often not the final outcome. These laws are statewide, but their application can differ. A local Henderson attorney understands the Clark County court system. If the rules appear simple, 50-50 split, no fault, where do things go wrong? The problem lies in defining what is community property. The system assumes both parties are transparent about their finances. But in a few moments, you'll see what happens when one side isn't. A major financial danger is commingling. It's when you mix separate property, like an inheritance, with marital funds. Once commingled, the law may no longer recognize that money as solely yours. It can become part of the 50-50 pot, gone forever. For children, the court's only guide is their best interests. Nevada law presumes joint custody is best, absent a compelling reason. Divorce is emotionally charged, leading to poor, impulsive choices. An attorney is an objective buffer, preventing a rash decision you'll regret. So how are these issues actually resolved? You have two main paths: cooperation through mediation or confrontation in court. Mediation is faster and gives you more control. But if trust is broken or assets are hidden, litigation is required to compel the truth. Remember the dishonest spouse? Here's the answer. Attorneys use legal tools like subpoenas to force banks to hand over records. For difficult cases, an attorney builds a team. This includes forensic accountants to trace money through shell companies. It's an investigation. And if someone is caught hiding assets, the penalties are severe. A judge can award the other spouse a larger share or even all of it. This proactive method is vital in all divorces. But what about cases involving extreme wealth or high levels of conflict? High net worth divorces involve complicated assets. Business interests and stock options all require specialized valuation experts. A major factor in child custody is any domestic violence allegation. In Clark County, courts are very cautious and can alter custody quickly. Many try to handle divorces themselves. This creates a power imbalance where one side may not realize what they're losing until it's too late. And that property division is final. An uncontested agreement you sign without review can lock in an unfair outcome forever. So how do the laws, the local courts, and the human element all fit together? What does this mean for your case in Henderson? We've seen that divorce is emotional and that property division is permanent. An attorney's objective strategy protects your future from a temporary state. We also saw how Clark County courts handle certain allegations and the importance of local insight. A Henderson attorney knows how to present evidence to a specific judge. The 50-50 community property rule is only fair if you have the full picture. An attorney's investigative power enforces that fairness. The right attorney is not just a legal guide. They are a strategist, investigator, and a shield, managing the entire process for you. A divorce in Henderson without a knowledgeable local attorney isn't just a risk. It's a gamble with a permanent outcome. The goal is not to win. It's to achieve a fair, equitable result that protects your rights and secures your future stability. Selecting an attorney familiar with Henderson courts and legal personnel is the most meaningful decision in this process. Your future is too valuable to leave to chance. Protect it by making an informed choice and seeking expert legal guidance.